Oh, okay. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel for another Wig Wednesday. Y'all, welcome. If you are new, Wig Wednesday is all about helping each other. I help you find the most affordable wigs, sis. You help me by subscribing, y'all. Don't come over here and catch my slay, get these bomb hair tips and all of that, and don't subscribe. If you do that, you faking. I don't want you here. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, Jolia, for sending me this hair. Yeah, they did send me 3 bundles and a closure that I made into a wig. I will be showing you guys how I did that in this video. But yeah, y'all, I love this hair. It's so nice and soft and flowy, y'all. I just threw some curls in it and boom, she ready to go, y'all. So if you guys are interested in this hair, please be sure to check out the description box below. And yeah, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get right on into this video because we slaying in this one, and I'm just so excited and ready for y'all to see how we got to this point. So yeah, y'all, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. So this is how the hair came packaged. It does come in a pretty pink box with their logo Jolia hair on the front. And then of course the bundles, which again I have the 12, 14, and 16 inch bundles with a 10-inch closure. And this is the Brazilian body wave, y'all, and it also comes with lashes. And the closure was pre-plucked and it already had baby hairs. I wanted to show you guys the thickness of the 12-inch. This one here is the 14-inch. And this one here is the 16-inch. Wanted to make sure I show you guys how thick the bundles are. And this is how the hair is all together bundled up, just to show you guys as far as like the texture and the fullness of the bundles. So of course, to make my wig, y'all know I love my spandex dome caps. I feel like they're the best ones. They're so easy to work with for me. What I do is just pin my closure down, and then of course I will be sewing down my closure. This wig will be a glue-in for as far as the wefts on the back, but I wanted to make sure I sewed the closure down, so I sewed them down on all 3 sides, and I put a plastic bag just to protect my dome cap, my dome head, before I start gluing. And then of course it's so easy, y'all. I just glue, blow dry, then lay the hair. I do the flip over method, so I'm not cutting the wefts at all. I just make sure I glue it, and then as you guys see here, I'll layer my next row right above that, and I'll just flip the hair over instead of cutting the wefts.
Got to do with it, baby. It's about us, it's about us, baby. What's love? Got to do with it, baby. What's love? It should be about us, it should be about us, baby. What's love? Yeah, slow down, baby. Let you know from the gate, I don't go down, lady. I want a chick with thick hips and licks her lips. She could be the office type or like the strip. Girl, you get me aroused, how you look in my eyes. What you talk too much, man, you're ruining my high. I wanna lose the feeling cause the roof is ceiling is on fire. You looking good for the getting, I'm a rider. Whether in a hoodie or a linen, a provider. You see the theory on my women and I'm living it up. The squad stay filling the truck with chicks that's willing to
y'all, we still slaying over here. Like, y'all better stop playing. I'm just ready to throw her on. I did do her in a middle part. I don't know, I just like middle parts. That's what I'm gonna do. Of course, y'all saw me styling. She back there chilling, ready to be put on. Ready, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and throw her on, see what look she giving. Okay, alright, y'all, so this is how she's looking thrown right on. As y'all can see, I didn't even bleach the knots. I just put makeup on it and it looks really good. I don't even really need to glue it down. I don't need to. I'm just gonna do it anyway. It's just in the middle part. Alright, y'all, so I did go ahead and throw on the wig. fix the curls a little bit. And this is what she's giving y'all. And y'all, I love it. Oh my god, y'all. So I did not bleach the knots or anything. I just put makeup at the bottom of my lace once I cut the dome cap from up under my wig. Just now I just added a little more makeup, but y'all, it looks so good, y'all. And the hair is so soft. It feels so lightweight and nice, y'all. It's so full. I had 3 bundles and a closure, y'all, and I put every last bit of it in this wig, y'all, and it's just so full. So full. Y'all, it's just so cute. Oh my god. Y'all, make sure y'all check out my description box below because I will have all of their details below. Oh my god, it's just so cute. Y'all know how I am about the heat right now and hair being too long, so of course this is perfect for me. I don't really like to go past 18 inches in the summer because it's just too hot for all that. It's too hot. Like, you can still be cute with some 16 inches, boo. Like, stop playing. Oh my god, do not forget, y'all, once we get to 10K there will be a wig giveaway, so y'all make sure y'all continue to share, subscribe, so don't, you know, miss out on it. Come over here, join the family, catch these slaves or whatever on a budget, because we still saving coins, y'all. Stop playing. Still saving coins. Thank you so much again for tuning in for another video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you so much again, Jolia, for sending me this hair. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Go slay, y'all. Just go slay, because I'm about to go slay. Go slay.